Hello, Cent Warriors. Undeniably, working online has various advantages, such as job flexibility, little to no commuting costs, and decent pay. While mentioning the pay, most jobs pay a flat or fixed rate, while we've some online jobs that pay hourly in Kenya, which we shall focus on. Interestingly, most of these online jobs pay at least $10 an hour, which means you can average 1,000 shillings or more an hour, and the more hours you put into work, the more likely you are to earn. I'll share more on the advantages of going for an hourly job over a flat rate one. Before we continue, Cent Warriors, please support us in our goal for the next few months to reach 50,000 subscribers. We want our tribe to keep growing. Please help us by subscribing and liking the video, since this helps YouTube recommend our content more. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, be sure to check out the description below this video for more details on other best online jobs that pay hourly in Kenya that are not covered in this video. Please stay tuned, because this is where the video gets exciting. So, let's dive in. Let's begin by looking at the advantages of online jobs that pay hourly. Compared to flat rate or fixed rate online jobs, hourly jobs come with these advantages. Earnings are proportional to work done. There is no hiding. You only get paid for the number of hours you've worked. The more you invest in the job, the more the pay. More control over your work schedule. While working on an online platform like Upwork, you often decide when to clock in and out, giving you more control over your itinerary. Motivation to work more. Since you bill by the hour, you draw the motivation to push yourself more if it's acceptable and do more hours to earn more. Best when the job scope isn't clear. Suppose the client continually asks for changes and revisions. If it's a flat-rate job, you most likely won't earn anything extra apart from the agreed price. However, if it's an hourly job, you most likely will account for every hour you work, even if it's making changes. Now, here are 15 ways on how you can make money online in Kenya hourly. Now that you know the advantages of an hourly online job, let's talk about how to make money in Kenya. 1. Online writing jobs. While online writing jobs are often popular with college goers, anyone can do them. All it takes is a computer, good internet, a passion for writing, and a creative mind. A platform like Upwork allows you to make $10 to $30 as a beginner writer, and you can do anything from blog posts and web pages to proposals and sales copy. 2. Paid research. You can also earn hourly as a research contributor, and one platform to consider in Kenya and the rest of the world is Respondent.io. You can make $10 to $1,000 per hour or project there. All you need is an internet-enabled computer and good research skills. 3. Online proofreading. Though we've many online proofreading tools, they still can't replace human proofreaders, at least not entirely. Some clients, especially those running online publications, magazines, and books, still prefer human proofreaders, and they pay $10 to $30 an hour on a platform like Upwork or peopleperhour.com.4. Online transcription jobs. You are expected to turn audio files, interviews, interrogations, phone recordings, and speeches into text in online transcription. Thus, you've to have a keen ear and good typing skills. If that's the case, you can make $10 to $30 an hour on rev.com or Verbit. 5. Online tutoring jobs. Suppose you are passionate about teaching young kids, or perhaps knowledgeable in a foreign language or art. In that case, you can apply for online tutoring jobs on Preply. You don't necessarily have to be a trained or certified teacher to do it, and you can make $10 to $50 an hour, depending on your experience level. 6. Virtual assistant jobs. With so many businesses and companies online, they often resort to hiring remote administrative personnel or virtual assistants. Your job involves administrative duties like phone handling, schedule planning, email management, content creation, and social media management. You can earn $10 to $30 as a virtual assistant on peopleperhour.com or Upwork. 7. Customer support online jobs. You can work from home as a remote customer support agent if you've some first-hand customer support skills. Essentially, You need good communication, phone handling, and sales skills to work as a remote customer support agent. You can find online customer support jobs on Brighter Monday, LinkedIn, or Upwork, where you could make $10 to $30 an hour. 8. Voice-over acting. You probably have heard the voices of Jeff Koinange, Johnson Wakazi, or even Nick Odiambo in local ads, especially on TV and radio. These media personalities do voiceovers because of their pleasant voices, and if you believe you have what it takes, consider voiceover acting. You can do a voiceover for TV and radio ads, video scripts, audiobooks, and movies, and you can make $50 to $100 per hour on voices.com or Upwork. 9. Data entry online jobs. All it takes to do data entry online besides a computer and the internet is basic computer knowledge and decent typing speed. You'll need to enter information into spreadsheets and databases. You can make $10, $20 an hour doing it on a platform like Fiverr or Remotask. Chapter 10. Web design. Are you a trained website designer? Do you have JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and Adobe Illustrator knowledge? If yes, you can work as an online web designer on Upwork, Fiverr, or peopleperhour.com and earn $20 to $50 an hour. 11. Social media manager jobs. Suppose you are good with Facebook, X, or Twitter, Instagram, and other social media platforms. In that case, you can help manage other people's social media. Depending on the client, you can make $20 to $50 an hour on peopleperhour.com and Upwork. You can also find these jobs on LinkedIn and Brighter Monday. 12. Social media marketer. Perhaps you don't fancy the responsibility of managing other people's social media, but are well-versed in the networking platform. If so, you can try social media marketing, especially if you've some first-hand experience, and you can make $20 to $50 an hour on peopleperhour.com or Upwork. 13. Online video editing jobs. If you know how to edit videos for clients, you can do it online and make $10 to $30 an hour on Upwork, Fiverr, or peopleperhour.com. Hiring clients run YouTube channels, courses, and video tutorials. Others look for introductory videos for their products and services. 14. Door-to-door food delivery. With the growing popularity of door-to-door food delivery services such as Uber Eats, Glovo, and Bolt Food increasing by the day in the country, there's an increased demand for deliverers, and that's where you come in. If you have a car or motorcycle, you can join these food delivery services and start making 1,000 to 2,000 shillings an hour. 15. Ride-sharing. Lastly, you can use your car to pick up and drop passengers on your way to and from work and during your spare time. That allows you to make 1,000 to 2,000 shillings an hour, and you can do it with Bolt, Little Cab, InDriver, or Bolt Now. Click the link in the description to check out online jobs that pay hourly in Kenya for students. Online jobs that pay hourly in Kenya without investment, popular online jobs in Kenya that pay 10,000 shillings per day, and other smart online jobs in Kenya that pay through mpesa. See you in the next video.